Hi, in this video I'll show you how to access Advanced Export, create your first export configuration and download a report. To access Advanced Export, use Apps, Advanced Export. This screen shows all available export configurations. We don't have any yet, so let's create one. The first thing you need to do is to select issues you want to export. You can do this by typing JQL manually, using JQL editor, selecting a filter, or if you are using Jira software, by selecting a board and for Scrum boards, a sprint. Let's use JQL for now. Note the live preview on the right. It reflects all the export configuration settings. You can see the preview of any format. For example, Excel differs from CSV in that key column contains clickable links to issues. Preview only shows first 10 issues. We'll talk about export options in the next video. For now, let's select a couple fields. Save the configuration and download the exported file. You can make the export configuration public so that other users can see and use it. They won't be able to edit it and can only export issues they have permission to see. Let's go back to the main screen. Once the configuration is saved, you can also quickly download exported files from the View All Issues screen. Filter the issues you want to export and click Apps, Advanced Export. From here, you can still edit JQL, but it reflects the filter that you set in the View All Issues screen. Now, select previously saved export configuration, check the preview, and download report in any format you need.